Hi friends, so today also we will see some more examples from previous section, previous video, right? Continuity and differentiability. So here I am taking different examples. If we have to find a dy by dx, if you have two functions x and y, if you have two functions, how to find the dy by dx? Of course, you know the how to derive two functions. If x equal to 2a t square and y equal to at to the power 4, find dy by dx. So your option is a is t, b is xy, c is t square and d is x square into y square. Then our aim is to find dy by dx, but function is x and y, but x and y in terms of both are t, x and y are in terms of both are t. So obviously if it is both function are t, then differentiate with respect to t. ಯಾವ ಎರಡು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಲೆಟ್ x is given function, y is given function, both have function as t. So that's why differentiate both function with respect to t. With respect to t, then dx by dt equal to with respect to t madame. So t square is so t 2 into 2 is 4, a is constant, then t, then y dy by dt equal to then 4 a and t, 4 minus 1 is 3, so t cube, right? You get dx by dt and dy by dt. Then divide both. Dividing above these two, we get dy by dt divided by dx by dt, because we need dy by dt dx. That's why I am taking this is numerator and this is denominator. Dy by dt divided by dx by dt equal to dy by dt is 4at cube divided by dx by dt is 4at. Here dt get cancelled. Now here 4a, then here you have 3 times t, 1 time t. So 1 time cancel, remaining is 2 and t square. Now dy by dx equal to t square. Now here option is C1. So C is t square. So dy by dx is t square. So like this. So similarly we have many examples. If you think critically, we have many examples. Thing is, if you in examination how to control the times, how to save the times. See, very simple is, of course. So here you should know the derivative procedure. You should thorough the derivative procedure. So once you see the two functions with same function is t, two function ಇರ್ತವಲ್ಲ x and y, ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ದಾಗ, so directly go for derivative. So here x derivative is with respect to t, here also with respect to t. Now dx by dt or only dx equal to, now here this is 4at, then dy, so this dy is so 4 into 80 cube. Now here we are dy by dx equal to then 4 80 by 80. So this is like this. You get it? 1 or 2 minutes you get it dy by dx like this. Like this we have to do in examination, main CET purpose, right? So don't need follow steps. Don't need follow steps. Just you know the derivatives, directly you can do them, or you can do if you need dy by dx. So this is equal to dy by dx. So you have y function is this. Now this differentiation is, forget about dy by dt, only this dy by dt, right? Then here is 4at cube divided by, now here is function, we need dx. Now if you respect to t, then 4 8 3. This like this you can do directly, right? But we should not follow the procedure, right? We should know the procedure like this. Now second example is, this is very very important. So in every CET question paper, this example based on this mean value theorem and rules theorem, so one question is compulsory. So based on this two theorem, at least one other example ಇರಬೇಕದು. ಮೀನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್, ಎರಡರಾಗ ಒಂದು ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ತಪ್ಪ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ವೆರಿಫೈ ದಿ ಮೀನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಥಿಯರಮ್, ವೆರಿಫೈ ದಿ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಕಲ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಅದ ಬೇಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾನ, ಒಂದು 4 ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ನಾಟ್ ವೆರಿಫೈಡ್ mean value theorem, which is the not verified rules theorem. Here it is question. Mean value theorem is not verified for the following cases. Here you have 4 cases. ಈ ಕೇಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವುದು mean value theorem verify ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, right? But here we should know the remember of statement of mean value theorem. What is the statement of mean value theorem? Right? That f of x is continuous in closed interval AB. There points A by AB. A comma B also, these are belongs to real numbers, and differentiable in open interval AB. This should be function is differentiable, and one formula is f dash of c equal to f of a minus f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. Then c value ತೆಗೆದಿಲ್ಲ, that c value should be in this open interval a comma b. ಹೆಂಗಪ್ಪ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಮಾಡಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ a function is f of x equal to x square minus 4x minus 3 in the interval 1 comma 4. ಅಂದ್ರೆ a is 1 and b is 4. We need here f of b, f of a ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, f of b ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4, f of a ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1. So f of 1, f of a ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, right? This is f of e, f of a. f of a is nothing but f of 1 equal to a ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಐತೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ in place of x is 1. So 1 square minus 4 minus 3. Simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ minus 6 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Similarly, this is f of b, right? f of b and f of 4 equal to, here 4 square is 16 minus 4 into 4 16 minus 3. 16 minus 16 and only minus 3. f of b is minus 2. There exists at least one value c belongs to open interval 1 comma 4. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ at least c value ಇರಬೇಕು 1 comma 4, such that, so using this formula find the c value. F dash of x is link ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಐತೆ, differentiate with respect to x ಮಾಡಿ. So nothing but f dash of x equal to 2x, so minus x, the constant 0, so minus 4. Now f dash of c equal to b is minus a, f of a is minus 6, so minus b minus plus 6, minus 3 plus 6 is again plus 3. So this plus 3 plus 3. So f dash of c is 1. So here f dash of x ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, x will c ಹಾಕ್ರಿ, then f dash of c equal to 1. This implies 2c minus 4. So 2c minus 4, ಈ 4 ఇక్కడ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ಬನ್ನಿ, so plus 4 ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. 1 plus 4 is 5. 2c equal to 5. Now c is 5 by 2. This c is 5 by 2 in this interval. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 2 points here. Or you can take 9, right? 1, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 later, up to 4. Okay? 2, 3. So but our value is 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 2 1 ja 2 2 ja, right? And 2.5. So approximately 2.5 is here. So but this C value is in this interval. So if it is in this interval, so this function is mean value is verified. Similarly, second one, B. Similarly, second one, of course, this is derivative exists, this differentiable function in the interval 2, 4. 2, 4 differentiable function nature. Right? Then, what is C? C equal to 3 value. So 2x value. We saw same procedure. C value is, so 3 is 2, 3, 4. So in this interval, B also verified. Then C equal to C. C option. If you follow same procedure, that is also differentiable function. So after finding C value, C is 1. C equal to 7 by 3. So 3 1 is 3 2 is 6. Then 3 3 is 2.3 something. So we have 1 2 3. So in this interval also. So C also exists. Mean value theorem exists. So last final D1. So here you have mod x. So rules theorem naga mat mean value theorem hoga. If we have a mod of x, so of course mod of x function is differentiable, cannot exist. So we cannot do the differentiable. So that's why I am writing, since derivative does not exist, f of x equal to mod x. So answer is this D. Of course, our statement saying that this is function is differentiable in the interval a comma b. So function is not a derivative. So this is the answer. This is not verified. So D is not verified. Mean value theorem is not verified. Not verified. Similarly, on mean value theorem, then rules theorem. Rules theorem is not verified. It is not verified for the following cases. Same, and mean value theorem in the rules theorem. Right? Same, I am taking 4 functions. X square plus 2x minus 18 minus 4 comma 2. X square plus 2 in minus 2 comma 2. Then 2x square minus 10x plus 29 in 2 comma 7. X square in 2 comma 4. Like this. So here some variety rules theorem statement right? Here also let f of x be a continuous function in closed interval a comma b. Right? A comma b are the real numbers and differentiable in open interval a comma b. Differentiable open interval a comma b. Then that function is f of a equal to f of b. F of a equals to f of b. F of a equals to f of b. This condition extra. Right? This condition is extra. So this rest of things same. Again find f of a, f of b. If it is f of a, f of b, right? So at least one C value should be in the range minus 4 comma plus a comma b. Close interval. So open interval a comma b. Then find C value. If it is C in this range, so that is verified as a truth theorem. Similarly. Right? So you have 4 functions. All verified. A 1 and 2 are not verified. B 3 is not verified. C 3 and 4 are not verified. And D all of these not verified. Right? See, check this. Anyway, this f of a, f of b is equal to 0. Here also f of a equal to f of b. Unary factor. Then here these